Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Oppo Find X8 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. Then tap on the same options to set it up. I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue and allow. In this window, choose wherever you want to and then hit your device's displays to continue. Now hit Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Oppo. Following that, use all of those categories at the top and just select all of your files you wish to send. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got it and just pick one of your connection ways. If you wish to scan the QR code, use scanning icon. Close an ad, choose while using the app and point your Oppo's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section and type in all of those numbers. Last but not least, hit Receive to connect. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!